Are you ready to transform your home into a cozy winter wonderland? Wondering how a simple wreath can elevate your seasonal decor? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you creative and stunning winter wreath ideas that are easy to make and perfect for any space. Let's start crafting some magic. What materials work best for winter wreaths? Choosing the right materials is key to creating a durable and beautiful wreath. 1. Natural elements. Fresh greenery, pine cones, and dried berries bring authenticity. Use preserved items like eucalyptus for longevity. Opt for moss or wood slices for a rustic vibe. 2. Faux and reusable materials. Silk flowers and artificial greenery look realistic and last longer. Use plastic or foam ornaments for lightweight durability. Choose wired ribbons for adjustable bows and accents. 3. Textures and accessories. Incorporate felt, faux fur, or velvet for a cozy touch. Add metallic accents like bells, stars, or beads for sparkle. Use eco-friendly options like recycled paper decorations. Want to recreate these ideas? Check out the products in the description below. What are some trending wreath styles this winter? Stay ahead of the curve with these on-trend wreath designs. 1. Asymmetrical wreaths. Focus greenery and decorations on one side of the wreath. Use oversized ornaments or natural elements for a modern touch. Leave part of the frame exposed for an artistic look. 2. Minimalist designs. Use a sleek metal hoop as the base. Add simple greenery like eucalyptus and 1 or 2 ornaments. Finish with a neutral or monochromatic ribbon. 3. Boho chic. Use macrame or woven textures as the centerpiece. Add dried flowers, pampas grass, and soft feathers. Incorporate warm, earthy tones like beige, peach, and terracotta. Planning your winter decor? Save this video to your playlist. Check the description for easy access. What are some wreath designs for non-traditional winter themes? Break away from tradition with these unique and creative wreath ideas. 1. Coastal winter wreath. Use starfish, shells, and driftwood as decorations. Incorporate light blue and sandy tones for a beachy vibe. Add subtle snowflake accents to tie it back to winter. 2. Whimsical Candyland. Use candy canes, lollipops, and colorful ribbons. Add fake frosting or glitter for a playful look. Incorporate pastel shades for a soft, sweet aesthetic. 3. Metallic glam. Create a wreath with gold, silver, and bronze ornaments. Use mirrored accents or reflective materials for extra shine. Tie it all together with a satin ribbon in a bold color like black or crimson. Have a favorite non-traditional theme? Let me know in the comments. What are some classic winter wreath ideas to consider? Timeless designs bring warmth and elegance to your home during the winter season. 1. Evergreen elegance. Use fresh or faux pine branches for a classic look. Add pine cones, red berries, and a large burlap bow. Finish with fairy lights for a warm glow. 2. Frosted wonder. Opt for frosted or snow-dusted greenery. Decorate with white ornaments and silver accents. Incorporate icy blue ribbons for a serene winter feel. 3. Rustic charm. Use a grapevine wreath base for a natural earthy aesthetic. Add dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and miniature bells. Tie it all together with a plaid ribbon. Love these timeless ideas? Like this video and share it with someone who needs winter decor inspiration. How can you use wreaths creatively beyond the front door? Winter wreaths aren't just for doors. They can brighten up any part of your home. 1. Centerpiece wreaths. Place a wreath flat on your dining table. Add a cluster of candles or a glass lantern in the center. Decorate with ornaments or faux snow for a festive tablescape. 2. Wall art or mirrors. Hang wreaths on interior walls or over large mirrors. Use smaller wreaths in a gallery-style arrangement. Coordinate colors with your room's decor for a seamless look. 3. Staircase or mantel accents. Attach mini wreaths to the banister with ribbons. Hang wreaths at varying heights above the mantel. Combine with garlands for a cohesive display. Want more creative ways to use wreaths? Subscribe now for weekly decor tips. How can you make a DIY winter wreath? Crafting your own wreath adds a personal touch to your decor. 1. Choose the right base. Start with a sturdy frame like wire, grapevine, or foam. Secure greenery using floral wire or hot glue. Layer textures like faux fur or felt for a cozy winter vibe. 2. Add unique elements. Use ornaments, snowflakes, or feathers for an extra flair. Incorporate scented items like dried lavender or eucalyptus. Add your initials or a welcome sign for a personalized look. 3. Balance your colors. Stick to a winter palette with whites, greens, blues, and metallics. Use pops of red or gold to add warmth and festivity. Ensure even spacing and symmetry for a polished finish. Have more DIY ideas? Drop them in the comments below. How can you make wreaths suitable for small spaces? Small spaces deserve holiday cheer too. Here's how to make compact wreaths work. 1. Opt for mini wreaths. Choose frames that are 8 to 12 inches in diameter. Use delicate decorations like mini ornaments or small bows. Keep the design simple to avoid overcrowding. 2. Multi-purpose wreaths. Use a wreath as part of a hanging mobile with lights. Combine a wreath with a photo display for added functionality. Hang it on cabinets or windows for festive accents. 3. Vertical displays. Stack 2 or 3 small wreaths vertically with a ribbon. Use slim designs to avoid taking up too much space. Hang them in narrow areas like hallways or between shelves. Love compact decor solutions? Check the description for more similar videos. Winter wreaths are more than just decorations. They're a way to express your style and bring the season's warmth into your home. From classic designs to modern twists, the possibilities are endless. Which idea will you try first? Share your favorite in the comments and let's spread the winter magic together.